Unraveling the world of print farms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's popping up more and more these days: print farm. If you're curious about what this term means and how it's used in the modern world, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unpack everything there is to know about print farms. A print farm is quite literally a farm of printers, but not the kind you might have at home. Instead of crops or livestock, a print farm cultivates an abundance of 3D printers, all working simultaneously to produce a large volume of physical objects from digital files. These farms are typically used for rapid prototyping, manufacturing products, or creating 3D printed artwork. The phrase symbolizes efficiency and technological advancement in manufacturing. Print farms represent the cutting edge of production technology. They are important for several reasons. Speed and volume. By using multiple printers at once, print farms can create many copies of an object very quickly. Customization. Each printer can produce a different item, allowing for a wide variety of products to be made at once. Innovation. Print farms are a playground for inventors and designers to experiment with new ideas. Understanding how print farms work gives us insight into how technology is changing the way we make things. Let's put our phrase into action. Here's how you might hear print farm used in a conversation. The engineering company just invested in a print farm to increase their production output. She manages a print farm that specializes in creating custom prosthetics. Did you know that some print farms operate 24/7 to meet high demand? These examples show the versatility and application of the phrase in real-world contexts. Understanding phrases like print farm not only helps you grasp new concepts but also expands your vocabulary. Here are some related terms that are often used in conjunction with print farms. 3D printing. The process of making a physical object from a digital design. Rapid prototyping. Quickly creating models of new designs to test their feasibility. Scale production. Manufacturing at a rate proportional to expected sales or demand. Knowing these terms helps in understanding the broader context of where and how the phrase print farm is used. Thank you for watching our video on print farms. We hope now you have a better understanding of what a print farm is and how this concept is revolutionizing production and manufacturing. Keep this phrase in your language toolkit, and you'll be ready to talk about one of the most exciting developments in technology today. Don't forget to practice using it in a sentence to help it stick in your memory. Until next time, happy learning, and see you in our next video.